Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about callback functions in JavaScript. Let's get started. A callback function is a function that is passed to another function as a parameter. Let's create a function that is going to return the username. Function get username. And then we are going to pass it as parameter. The first parameter is going to be the name of the user. And then here we're going to return the name here. Let's console the name of the user, get username. Let's pass Bob. We are getting Bob into the console in lowercase. Now, suppose we want to create another function that is going to wait that gets username finished first to execute, and then it's going to take the Bob username and change it to uppercase. Let's create another function here. Function sets username to uppercase. It's going to take the name and then it is going to console. Let's console. It ain't gonna return a value. Let's console the value username to uppercase. Then here name that to uppercase. We go to uppercase function. Okay. And here we are going to pass another function to get username, which is going to be the callback, which is going to be called once get username finished to execute. Then here callback, pass here the name. And then here we are getting an error because we doesn't yet pass our callback to get user name method. Yeah, here right now we are getting Bob in uppercase because here if we pass here console.log name, we are getting first Bob in lowercase and then we are getting Bob in uppercase. The benefits of using callback is that you write a function first that is going to execute, and then you can write another function. The second function, it is going to wait for the results of the first function and then it can work on it. That's how a callback works. And we are using callback in when you are working with promise or when you want to use you want to iterate through an array using a higher order function like for each. As you can see here, for each takes here, for each takes a callback. Let's create an array here, array. The contents are name, John, Bob, Isaac. Then here, let's create a function that is going to display this name. Function display names, name. Okay, here, and then we are going to console.log name. Here, our display name function is going to take the name, and then we are going to pass this display name as an argument to for each method, for each high order method. And then here we are getting John, Bob, and Isaac. Here first, the JavaScript is calling for each method, and then for each method takes display name as an argument, which is going to display items, which is going to display name within an array. I think that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about promise.